Hi to all my Nikki's Beach House beautiful viewers. Jenny here today bringing you the 7 ways to style my favorite item from the boutique. This is the Monterrey Vest. This is the most genius design I have ever seen in cover-up, and I'm very excited to show you at my customers' requests the 7 different ways that this one piece can be styled on your body. This is that one special item that every woman who wants to go from basic to chic should own. Currently in 2 colorways. I can't keep this item in stock. I'm constantly selling out. So without further ado, let's get to the styling of the Monterrey Vest. This is the second colorway that the Monterrey Vest comes in, this incredible snake printed pattern. If you're not into tie-dye, but you do love the classic animal print, this is another version of the Monterrey Vest that we currently have. Well, that wraps up our video. I hope you liked this tutorial style YouTube. Thank you to all my customers who have purchased the Monterrey Vest. I hope you are enjoying it. And thank you to all of you in advance who are going to add this genius design of a cover-up to your capsule wardrobe. Remember, give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, subscribe to our channel as I will be bringing you regular content related to all things fashion from Nikki's Beach House Boutique. And I hope to be with all of you again real soon. Okay, this hair is super dirty and greasy today. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but here we go. This is take number 3.